It seems my body mind is getting quite active when there is an apparent energetic shifting happening until I reach my limitations and need a lot of resting. Do you have some inspiration how to balance between doing and relaxing on the personal level while staying in the empty looking? Yeah, thanks for your question. Well, I mean, I think that India, you know, for so many thousands of years, got so many great recommendations for this. So you're not talking about becoming more aware of the illusory thoughts or dreams the person has. You're talking about the energetic system. So therefore, I would recommend, you know, the yogas, physical yoga, kirtan, devotion, puja, pranya breathing. Is that what it's called? Pranya breathing. This is the problem with dyslexia. If you don't use a word often enough, it gets forgotten. But you can go on my website, or you can just look up like the different yogas. And in there, I'm sure you'll find something that will help the energetic system. Like, you know, the singing of bhajans or kirtan is amazing for the system. You know, this is why for thousands of years, spiritually, we've, you know, done music and spirituality together. Even in Christianity, there is music, because there is a presence that happens. You're changing your breathing, you're changing your nervous system, and you're chanting words, like particular words that contain lots of positivity in the human world. And the sort of forgetting of yourself, a bit like, you know, when you do art or play music. So there's so much there in which you can do to help settle the body-mind mechanism. If you're talking more about psychological issues, then I would recommend something like somatic therapy. I think this is something that Westerners do amazingly, is somatic therapy. Something like Peter Levine, and there's therapists on my website that do somatic therapy. Yeah. But you're asking about more the nervous system. Thank you so much for your question. Oh man, people write these words, they don't understand the premise of dyslexia. It's not about reading them, it's that I can't read them. Like, so pranyanma, yeah. Thanks, I know you're trying to help, but unless you could write it phonetically, I'm not going to be able to do it. Yeah. You have to sit and learn the word again, hearing it. Unless it suddenly gets remembered. But yeah, thank you also for putting it in the chat, because that's like that's helpful for everybody in the chat, so they know what I'm talking about, instead of me being like pranayama. Pranayama, that's it. Thank you. Thank you, pranayama. Pranayama yoga. That is so freaking amazing, pranayama yoga. Thank you.